Hi Pine class, it is Thursday morning and in our maths lessons this week we've been looking at fractions. Over the last couple of days we've been looking at equivalent fractions, but today we're going to look at fractions that are greater than 1, and we're going to use some chocolate bars to help us to understand that concept. And when we're dealing with fractions that are greater than 1, there are two different ways in which we can record these. Now, we can record them as improper fractions, but we can also record them as mixed number fractions. And for each example, I'm going to show you how we would record each amount of chocolate as an improper fraction and as a mixed number fraction. And as you can see, these instructions here at the top, these are really important. So first of all, if we look at number 1 here, we have got some chocolate. And the first thing we're going to do is to count how many individual pieces there are all together in this image. And this will be the numerator. So you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So overall we've got 10 pieces of chocolate, so that is our numerator. And then we also need to count how many pieces make up one whole bar of chocolate, because this is the denominator. Now as you can see, this is one whole complete bar in this case, and we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pieces make up one whole bar. Okay, so as an improper fraction, the amount of chocolate shown here is 10/6. But I want to show this as a mixed number fraction. So we need to look back at the image again and decide how many whole bars there are. So we know that this is one whole bar, and there's actually only one of them in this image. There's only one whole bar here. So we know that we've got one whole, and then what have we got left over? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of chocolate out of, we know that in one whole bar there would be 6. So, as a mixed number fraction, this amount of chocolate would represent one whole bar and 4/6. And these are the same. 10/6 and one whole bar and 4/6, they're the same. We've just shown the chocolate as an improper fraction and as a mixed number fraction. Let's have a look at our second example here. So, first thing we're going to do is look at our improper fraction. So we must first count how many pieces of chocolate there are all together for our numerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 pieces of chocolate all together. And how many make up one whole bar? Here's one whole bar, and just like in the last question, you can see that 6 pieces make up one whole bar. So as an improper fraction, the amount of chocolate we've got here are 15/6. Now I need to look at it as a mixed number fraction. So how many full bars of chocolate have I got here? Well, there's one full bar, and there's 2 full bars. So I've got 2 full or 2 whole bars. And then what have I got left over? 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces out of, if this was a full bar, we know there'd be 6. So as a mixed number fraction, we've got 2 and 3/6. And if you're really clever, you'll know that 3/6 is the same as a half. So you can also say that I've got 2 and a half. Let's have a go at the next one. So, counting first of all the number of individual pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, just like last time. And we can see that I've got 6 that make up one full bar. So 15, 6 again. Now, let's look at it as a mixed number fraction. How many whole bars have I got? Well, I've got 1 whole bar there, and I've got 1 whole bar there. So just like last time, I've got 2 full bars, and then I've got 3 chunks left over out of a full bar, which would have 6. So exactly the same as last time, it's just set out differently in the picture. So I've got 2.5 bars of chocolate. Let's try and do one more together. So, first of all, let's look at how many pieces altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my numerator, 10 pieces altogether. And in this case, how many make up one bar? So here's one full bar. And in this case, I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces make up one whole bar. So my improper fraction to represent this chocolate would be 10 quarters. Now looking at a mixed number fraction, how many full bars have I got? Well, I've got 1 full bar there, 2 full bars altogether. And then I've got 2 extra pieces out of a possible 4 that would make another full bar. So my mixed number fraction would be 2 and 2 quarters, which you can simplify again to 2.5. Now you're going to be having a go at working with some fractions greater than 1 today. I hope that little introduction has been useful. Please do watch it back if you need more help. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you get on.